In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the stopwatch to Google Docs. To get started, open your Google Doc and make sure you're inside the document where you want the stopwatch or timer feature to appear. This walkthrough is especially helpful if you've seen older tutorials showing that this could be done directly inside Google Docs because the process appears to have changed. At one point, there used to be two ways to add a timer or stopwatch in Google Docs. However, based on the current version of the interface, that option no longer seems to be available. So in this video, I'm going to show you what happens now when you try the methods that were previously used, so you can quickly confirm whether the feature still exists in your documents. Once your Google Doc is open, go to the top menu and click on Insert. This is where Google Docs keeps many of its built-in content tools, including items like tables, images, smart chips, and other interactive elements. After clicking Insert, move your cursor over Smart Chips. This opens the sub-menu where you can see the chip options currently available in Google Docs. As you hover there, you should be able to view choices such as date, people, file, calendar event, place, and placeholder drop-down options. The important thing to notice here is that timer or stopwatch is not included in that list anymore. So if you were expecting to find a stopwatch option inside the Smart Chips menu, it appears that Google has removed it, or at least it is no longer accessible in the current version of Google Docs. There was also another method people used before. The second approach was to type the @ symbol directly into the document, followed by a word like timer or stopwatch in order to trigger the Smart Chip suggestion menu. Previously, this could bring up the timer or stopwatch option more quickly, but now that method also no longer appears to work. If you try typing the @ symbol and then timer or stopwatch, the expected suggestion does not show up. So based on both of these methods, it seems that adding a stopwatch directly in Google Docs is no longer possible at this time. If you're following an older guide and not seeing the same result, that's likely why. The feature seems to have been available before, but in the current interface, it's no longer present through either of the known methods. That's all you need to know for this one, and now you can avoid wasting time searching through menus for an option that doesn't seem to exist anymore.